What's going on YouTube? Welcome back with your boy Chikome. No one learning now what, right? So today we are gonna learn about numbers 1 to 9. So if you get those down, then we're gonna do 10 to 20, right? And let's get right into it. All right, let's see this. Number 1, it's gonna be se, ome. 2, ayi, oyei. It's 3. Modern and the old ways, like a classic way, right? Either or is the same, or it means the same thing. Nawi, Makwili is 5. Nawi is 4. Chikwase is 6. Chikome is 7. Chikwe is 8, and Chiknawi is 9. So and now what you actually have to pronounce the TL and the double L. It's very very important to pronounce the correct way. Now in this channel, I'm trying my best to uh, pronounce the correct way, so you can pronounce the correct way. I know there's a lot of Chicano studies out there, or that have no idea how to pronounce these words. So this is actually the correct or closest way to pronounce the words. Example, right? The TL, right? TL. What does that sound make? So, like example, right? Examples here that I have: at, et, nakat. Water, beans, and meat. So the TL sounds like a at the end. So you have to pronounce the at the end of each of these words. Right? It's very, very, very important. So again, the TL sounds like a right? So at, et, nakat, right? Which means water, beans, and meat, right? So that being said, I try my best to give you this knowledge so we could think, speak, and maybe write uh, in the old ways, right? I mean, the writing, of course, is something else, but that's a whole different conversation for the next session. That being said, thank you very much. See you soon. See you next time in my next videos. Peace.